The best universal easy reballing kit includes all the materials you need to reball most BGA patterns that you will encounter. These reballing preforms, together with your specified solder flux material, will give you the tools you need to reball BGAs and other area array devices quickly and reliably. This kit equips you with the necessary lead-free easy reball preforms to reball 0.5, 0.8, 1.0, 1.27, and 1.5 millimeter pitch patterns for full array devices.
Best universal reballing kits are available and ship from stock in both leaded and lead-free versions.